Hello mga ka-showbiz! The Metro Manila Film Festival 2025 just revealed its first 4 official entries at ang promising agad ng lineup. Heading the list is Call Me Mother, a comedy drama featuring Nadine Lustre and Vice Ganda. In their second film together after Beauty and the Bestie noong 2015. Grabe, di ba? Dalawang big stars in one movie. Talagang aabangan natin. Reconnect from director Jade Castro and Reality MM Studios. The third movie is the crime thriller Manila's Finest by Papa P. At syempre, baliktakutan ng Regal Films with Shake, Rattle and Roll, Evil Origins featuring Franceth and other Gen Z stars. Sabi ni MMDA Chairman Don Artes na babalik sila sa 8 entries lamang after featuring 10 films in the previous years. At ito nga, pinapakita ko lang naman ang mga backstage scene last year with MMFF 50th year Best Actress Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo and Vice Ganda. Ito pala yung eksena before they proceeded to the awarding ceremony. At tinutokso na nga ni Vice si Juday na mananalo siya ng Best Actress. Nagkatotoo nga po ang hula na yon. Ayan, it's worth seeing all the chika there. Thank you for watching.